Hey team, let's take a look at our lateral lunge. This is what it looks like. One, two. First up, benefits of this exercise: lateral stability and control, strengthening through the lower body, quads, hamstrings, and glute. Let's break that down for you. I'm going to take a step out, plant leg is straight, both toes pointed forward, push my hips back, transfer the weight to my heel, abs braced, nice flat back, sitting back onto that hip. Standing up nice and tall, squeezing my glute and my abs at the top. Regression-progression strategy here is real simple. Number one is speed. If we kick up the speed a little bit, we get a great cardiovascular benefit and a neurological benefit. Number two, our regression strategy. Simply shorten the size of our step if we need to regress it and pull it back a little bit. Pushing the hips back, not going quite as low. Make sure we only go as low as we need to. Make sure we keep that nice flat back. That is common faults. That is your regression-progression strategy. Common faults. What we see here, common fault, is rotating, letting the foot rotate out, letting the hip open up. We're not able to engage the proper muscle groups if we do that. So make sure toes pointed straight forward, hips push back. Now another common fault, don't let the foot roll up. Press through the lateral part of the foot as we stand up nice and tall, maintaining full contact with the floor. That is your lateral lunge. Thanks.